Okay, guys. The question number target 2, page number 12, page number 12, target 2, target 2, level 1 questions, level 1 homework problems. Level 1 homework problems. In the question number 1, see the question. The question number 1 is if x is equal to 3 plus root 5, x is equal to 3 plus root 5, then find the solution x square minus 6x is equal to dash. This is the question. So anybody ready to give the answer? Yes. Can anybody give the answer, please? Is there anybody? No? Very good. Now concentrate here. The x value given x is equal to this much. What is that? 3 plus root 5, and they are asking that x squared minus 6x is equal to what? How much? So first we have to find that what x square. So that is equal to this 3 plus root 5 whole square. Now if you solve this, what is the formula? A plus b whole square. That is 3 square plus root 5 square is become 5. 2 into 3 into root 5. 2ab. Yes, and this is 9 plus 5 plus 6 root 5. 6 root 5. Yes, then this is 14 plus 6 root 5. Now my x squared value is this much. Then after that do that what? 6 into x. That is equal to 6 into 3 plus root 5. Root 5. Now multiply that. 3 6 are 18 plus 6 into root 5. Got it? Yes. Now your job is finished, 90%. Then apply, just substitute this x squared value, this, and 6x value is this. Now 14 plus 6 root 5 minus of 18 minus 6 root 5. Yes? Very good. Now do the simplification here. Cancellation. Plus 6 root 5 minus 6 root 5. And here is the what? Plus 14. If nothing is there, you have to consider plus 14. And this symbol is what? Minus 14. So your resultant is minus 4. The option is 2. Option 2 is a correct answer. Please copy this. Yes. How many have the test books? Mohit side, do you have test book? Where is Mohit?
Sir,
Sir,
doubt, sir.
Tell me.
సార్ ఇక్కడ -6 √5 ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సార్? ప్లస్ కదా ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ -6 √5 ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సార్?
Here.
లాస్ట్ స్టెప్. 18 minus 6 √5.
See. Now here see. Here the symbol is a what? Minus. Here symbol is minus. And whatever you have to write the number for the 6x numbers, this symbol is applied.
ఇక్కడ మైనస్
Here seen Anna, here x square, x square value is how much? Yeah, here x square value is this is 14 plus 6 root 5 minus of 18 plus 6 root 5. If you apply this symbol inside, then what happens? Here is minus and here is also minus. Yes. Then, yes, how many have the test books? Anybody have the test book? Yeah, good. Yeah, see, the question number 12, same that the question number 12, the question is root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 whole divided by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, here plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This is the question. Very important question. You can expect this question in your exam. So what is the answer for this? So first take that only numerator part. First take only numerator part. So this is the denominator. Above is the numerator and below is the denominator. Right? Thus the number is root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Yes, is equal to, for this, what is the LCM? Root 2 plus 1 root 2 minus 1. Here a root 2 minus whole square and here plus root 2 plus 1 whole square. Right? Then the next simplification is numerator a square 2 plus b 1 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. Apply the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. And denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 2 minus 1. Now, here, see the cancellation terms, minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So, numerator part is how much? 6. By how much? 1. So, final my answer is 6. For numerator, how much I got? Yes. Now, for the denominator, here if you observe the numerator and denominator, only difference is instead of root 2, root 3 value is there. If you have the common sense, if you have the thinking capable, the mental ability power, then you can do the same question in this way also. Here see that the question is here root 2, instead of root 2 what term will come? Root 3 minus 1. Here root 3 plus 1. So here root 2 whole square means 2 only. Similarly, here will what will come? 3. In the next term, plus a square b square, that is 1, minus 2ab, that is 2 root 3, plus, yes or no? Yes. 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3, right? And denominator is, there is no need of writing doing the problem. You can enter directly into this step, right? And denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A square value is 3 and b square value is how much? 1. So your resultant is, in this particular case, you can cancel these two terms, minus plus 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8 by 2. Resultant is 4. Now your final answer is, in the numerator how much you got? 6. In the denominator how much you got? 4. So here 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Your resultant answer is 3 by 2. Your resultant answer is how much? 3 by 2. That is option number 2. About this question, anybody have any doubts? Please ask the doubts. Anybody have any doubts?
Sir, explain again, sir.
If you have,
Yes, sir.
yes. Yeah, now onwards, you have to ask the doubt, those who have the textbook. Now onwards, you have to ask the doubt, those who have the textbook. Anybody have any doubts?
No.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. The next question, question number 13. The question number 13 is 2 plus root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by 2 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 2. Okay, and this is the question. What is the solution for this? Can anybody try? Yes, good. Now yeah, here the LCM is, what is the LCM? Can anybody guess? No. Your LCM is root 2 plus 1 plus 2 into root 2 minus 2. Okay. Now here nothing is there. You can consider 1. Consider these two terms are 1. Then here nothing is there. So here LCM is what? 2 root 2 into root 2 minus 1. So this both the terms are same. So can I write here root 2 plus 2 whole square into root 2 minus 2. Yes. About this, if you have any doubts? No. Good. Then here the term is root 2 minus 2. And the next is plus here root 2 plus 2. Very good. Now this is the term. The next step is apply for the a plus b whole square, that is 2 plus 4 plus 2ab, that is 4 root 2 into root 2 minus 1 minus 2, sorry, plus here plus root 2 and here sorry minus root 2 here plus root 2 cancel root 2 plus root 2 1 plus 1 2 root 2 here and the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus 4. Yes. Now, here see that 2 plus 4, 6. Yeah, just wait a minute. I will write this term is the first.
Sir, not understood.
Do you have textbook? Yes, very good. Then here is the minus 2. Then apply the root 2 into 6, root 2 6, root 2 into 6 plus 4 into root 2 root 2, root 2 whole square that is 2 minus 12 minus 8 root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2 and whole divided by minus 2. Here the terms are now check that. Here 2 root 2 6. So this term can I write here 6 root 2, 8 root 2. Here 6 plus 2, 8, 8. Yeah, you can cancel this, this and this. All are cancelled. Then the next is, here is the what? 4 into 2, 8 minus 12 by minus 2. That is equal to minus 4 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So your answer is 2. That's the option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct. About this, any doubts? Yes, anybody?
Sir, not understood whole solutions.